Good morning, my people. Early day, we about to get to it. Money don't sleep, and the damn sure don't wait on nobody. Just getting all my shit out the car. Already did my pre-truck, got my truck running. Had to pull my car in the park. Well, I should have gassed up yesterday, but I'm about to go hit the Wawa right up the road here. Go gas up, there go the truck. Go gas up. Then first stop 100 miles north. Second stop 200, not even 200 miles. It's 100 and, I don't know, I gotta double check. It's under 200 miles west. And then we're gonna try to book something else. I'm gonna tap in with y'all in a minute, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, I just got down here. Got one truck backing up to the dock now. It's not a big one. Shit, this shit's smaller than my truck. That look like it might be like a 20-foot truck, 18-foot truck. So hopefully that's quick to get out. And I only got 2 pallets for this location, and I'll be out of here and get on to my next spot. Just tapping in with y'all, letting you know what's going on. I'm a little late. I'm like 25 minutes late, 30 minutes late actually. So I can't be mad. There was a lot of traffic, so I can't control the damn traffic. But I'm out here just waiting to get loaded up. I'm gonna try to get some clips of that, and then I got another delivery after this, and then we're going. I guess while I'm here, I'm gonna see if I can get on the load board and find some shit. But when I get when I'm getting offloaded, I'm gonna tap back in, man, in a minute. All right. Took a little longer than I expected. They in there running their soup coolers. But we here, we gonna see what the hell going on. Gotta get my paperwork. We'll slide off in here, man. I just got 2 pallets for this damn place. I hope they don't be in here with the bullshit. I'm trying to get the hell on. Back on the road, y'all. Just left. Drop off the 2 pallets. I had to help her out, so I didn't really get much. I got a little clip, but not much. I had to help her out, though she was by herself back there. I wasn't gonna have the lady back there moving them heavy ass pallets, so I had to do it for her. Well, I did it for her. I didn't have to. Ain't no thing though. So now I'm about to start my next stop. My second drop is 150 miles west. Now we going to Brandon. Get these 3 dropped off. And should be good to go after that. Back down south. Should be able to make something shake, man. And you know, I noticed a lot of people be on the channel saying, oh, Florida ain't got loads and this and that. But then when I ask them if they live in Florida, they say no. So then what the hell you worried about the loads in Florida for? If you see me out here and I'm working and I'm in Florida, clearly there's loads in Florida. Now, it might not be booming like a place like Texas or Jersey or wherever the hell, wherever, Ohio and all that shit. But it's money out here. And like I say, I don't just stay in Florida. I just recently have just been in Florida. I definitely have plans to leave. I'm just trying to have my shit set up right so I'm non-stop moving. That's all. So I'm just working what's best for me. But it's definitely money in Florida. Like I tell people, you just got to put yourself out there. Not all the loads I do and all the work I get is off load boards. Sometimes I got some. When I go out there and I deal with these brokers and I'm out there, you got to develop some type of friendship and relationship with these people. Because if you dropping loads off on time, it's never no bullshit. The broker gonna call you. Why post a load up there when they could call you and deal with you directly? You know, you take care of them, they take care of you. That's how I operate. So yeah, sometimes brokers call me. I know 3 brokers personally. You know, I get contracts on the side, and you got to put yourself out there. I already, it costs $5 to post on Craigslist, and already I done made $300 off Craigslist. I posted something last month. Some guy hit me up there to move some a refrigerator appliance for him. Went to Palm Beach, dropped it off in Fort Lauderdale, $300. Somebody just called me the other day, but I've been busy, so I haven't had time to do it. So we're gonna try to do that maybe tomorrow or Thursday. He got a bakery, he's moving out of there, and he got appliances he needed moved. $300. And it only cost me $5 to post. So you figure I'm about to make $600 off spending $10. So when I tell y'all to put yourself out there, you just gotta put yourself out there. Facebook Marketplace, Instagram, all that shit. Craigslist, whatever else. I'm on any and everything. But that's it, man. And all y'all who's making comments hating on me, I like that shit too, man. It don't get me mad. Y'all just find something better to do. Because clearly you see I'm working. I don't know what y'all doing, man. But keep hating. I don't give a damn. I like all that shit. But the people that supporting, I fought with y'all 1,000. I'm going to tap in with y'all in a minute, man. I got about a 2-hour drive, so I'll probably make another video before I get there. But if not, we're going to tap in when we get down there to Brandon, man. Be cool. My YouTube people, we just got out here to Brandon. Going out here to see who's gonna take this delivery. phone number. Yeah, waiting on the All right, y'all. We out of here. Quick delivery. That's how I like them. In and out like a robbery. I got another delivery. I booked another pickup. I booked another load. Got to go to Tampa. It's not far from here. It's 22 minutes. I just don't know the exact address. I got to put it in now. So that's good. I got a load going back down south to go to Palm Beach. It actually got 2 drops. One of them go to Palm Beach and one go to Fort Lauderdale. So, and it's all my side of town, so you know ain't nothing wrong with that. And that's it right now. See what the address is. Pickup. 25 minutes away from my pickup. That's good. Everything close by, man. Because, you know, nobody don't like deadheading. So we out of here, good delivery. And now we headed to the next one. So you already know, man, when I get over there, I'm going to tap in with y'all, man. Yes, sir. We in the truck now. About to get loaded up. Got a 10 pallet parcel. Splitting up in 2 deliveries. They got one got to go to, like I was saying, one got to go to Palm Beach and the other one going to Fort Lauderdale. So I'm just waiting to get loaded up now. That's my second stop in the morning. Got to split up your load so you know where you're going. Got my strap there dividing up my load. Now I got 5 pallets coming in front of this one. And that got to go 6 a.m. in the morning. And that shit there got to be dropped off tomorrow between 8 and 12, so I got some time. I'm out here hustling, y'all. Trying to get to it. We headed down south after this, man. We in Tampa, got about a 4-hour run. I know we're gonna catch some traffic, but fuck it. It's all part of the game.